In this quick video, we're going to walk through the groups and keywords section of SMS-iT. Now in this area, you're going to be able to see all of the different keywords and groups you've created. You can sort them, of course, alphabetically by clicking here. You can sort the group names alphabetically, etc. But what you can see here is all the groups, what type of group it is, what the keyword is for the group, and whether or not you've got double opt-in and whether or not it's SMS or MMS. The other thing is for each group, you've got some nifty icons over here on the right. You can mouse over them, and once you do, it'll pop up and tell you what that does. For example, if I want to send a message to that group, if I mouse over this, it'll give me a QR code. What does that QR code do? Well, scanning that QR code will subscribe that phone number to the group. The next thing is I can mouse over this little orange one and see everybody in the group. I can mouse over this blue one and edit the group, or I can delete the group in its entirety. Now, up here, there's a blue button. Now, this will allow us to do two things. The action button will allow us to create a new group, or we can merge two groups together. For example, if I've got a group of people that opted in for my restaurant for a specific promotion, but I want to merge them into my general group, I could go to merge group. I could select the first group and say, I'm going to merge this one with this one, and I can click merge. And what that's going to do is combine those into build demo group. And if you look down here, it's taken the people from there and it has put them into here. So you can merge groups in this section. The next thing is, if we mouse over actions, we can create a new group by choosing add group. Now, this feature that says copy from group will allow you to copy all of the settings that you've set down here from another group. So let's say you like to create every group as a specific group, a coupon group, and everyone always has the same reply if they're a member, same reply if they're a member already to the group. You want them all to, you want to get a notification when people subscribe. If you've got those settings in here the way you like them, then you can copy those settings by choosing a group up here. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply create one from scratch. And that's what I'm going to walk you through right now. So we're going to call this SMS-iT walkthrough group. Now, I've got to pick a keyword. If you're unfamiliar with any of these areas, you can always mouse over the blue question mark. It says this is the keyword someone's going to text to join your contact list. So in this case, I'm going to make the keyword SMS123. Now, the next thing is group type. But before we choose group type, let me give you some tips on keywords. When you're choosing a keyword, there are a couple things to keep in mind. One, most cell phones have autocorrect, so I recommend using a word that is part of the native language of the customer who's texting in. The next thing is this. I don't recommend putting multiple words with spaces. That doesn't work correctly. Third, one way to get around autocorrect is to use a combination of letters and numbers together, like what I've done here. When you use letters and numbers together, Android and iPhones don't autocorrect that. So it also gives the impression that it's similar to a coupon code. So in this example, I put SMS123. Now, for group type, there are multiple types of groups here. The first type is a coupon group. Now, the coupon group, what it does is if somebody keeps texting in, they'll continue to get a response. You'd use this, for example, if you're going to do a coupon of the week or of the month. If you've got an ongoing coupon that you're going to do every week, every month, and people are going to text in to see what the offer is each week, then you might want to choose a coupon group type. If you're just trying to build a list, let's say you're at a trade show or a fair and you've got a booth. So for your business, you're just trying to get people to join a list because later you're going to do a giveaway or something like that. Then you may want to select a join group. Now, both of those, when you select this, look similar. You'll notice nothing is changing down here between coupon group and join group. The third type is a property group for real estate. Now you see this interesting window. Here, If you mouse over that, it explains a little bit about how it works. So basically, if you're a realtor or a property manager, you'll want to put the address in and the price, and then you can select how many bedrooms and bathrooms. Now, it's obviously designed for residential real estate, not commercial, right? But you could put commercial in here if you wanted to. Down below, you can put a short description of the property, but then right below here, you can paste in the web address linking to that property on your website or the MLS if you'd like. The next drop down is good for car dealers. Now, here's the thing. If you're a small independent car dealer or you've got a client who is, this is a great resource. You can create a group with detailed info for a specific vehicle. So maybe if I've got a Honda Civic on my lot, that's a 1996, I might make the keyword 96 Civic. And then down here, I can put in all the details. 1996 Honda Civic, 123,000 miles, prices $2,500. And then I could put down here, 4-door, automatic, reliable, great condition. And then I can paste in a link to the vehicle on my website if I have a website. If I don't have a website, I don't have to paste it in. But this notice is an MMS message, so it allows me also to put an image of the vehicle in the response if I want to. That way, if somebody texts 96 Civic to my phone number, they'll get a response back with this message, including a picture of the vehicle. So that's the vehicle group type. In this case, I'm going to create a join group, just a simple group. And let's say I'm doing this because I'm at a county fair and I've got a booth set up. So the keyword might be fair. It's going to add them to a list called a join group. And in this case, I'm going to turn on birthday wishes. And this basically will reply to them, asking them to enter their birth date in a specific format. I'm going to make it a SMS, short message service, which just means text. It's not going to let me upload an image or anything like that. And I'm just going to put in here, thanks for joining our text group. Here, show this at our store to get 10% off your purchase before 7/1/22. So I could put like a little show this to get a discount type of message. And down here, if they've already joined the group, I can say, you've already joined our group. Hope to see you at ABC Thrift Store soon. Now, this is the reply they'll get when they text in. This is what they'll get if they try to text in again. Let's say they're a customer, but they really just want to see if there's another coupon, for example. Now, down here, I can choose if I want a double opt-in or not. Now, what a double opt-in, this is going to basically vary based on the country that you live in. Some require double opt-ins, some do not. What a double opt-in means is that after somebody texts your keyword, they're going to receive a message that asks them to confirm that they actually want to sign up to receive your text messages. Again, that's a requirement in some areas, so make sure you check your local laws. Over here where I'm at, that is not a requirement, so I'm not checking the box. Next thing is, do you want to get notified by text message when someone joins your group? Here's the thing. If you're in a busy area, like a high traffic area, maybe a trade show, a fair, something like that, or if you're using text messaging for building a list in your restaurant, tanning salon, things like that, I do not recommend getting notifications every time someone opts in, or your phone will go crazy. But if you're using text marketing to generate leads, maybe you're an automotive dealership, a coach, something high ticket like that, then you may want to get notified on sign up. Once you've completed all of this, and if you do want to get notified, just check the box, put in your country code and your phone number. Once you've finished everything up, all you have to do is hit save. Once you've done that, your list is created. And that's how easy it is to create a keyword and a group to build your texting list using SMS-iT.